Health Equity HSA Review 2025 Worth It or Leave It? Health savings accounts, or HSA, have long been praised as a triple tax-advantaged way to save for healthcare expenses, but in 2025, the market has evolved, and not all HSAs are created equal. One platform that stands out in the HSA space is Health Equity. Today, we're going to dive deep into Health Equity's HSA offerings, uncover the benefits, potential drawbacks, and everything you need to know to decide whether it's worth it or if you should consider other options. Let's start with the basics. Health Equity is a dedicated HSA administrator designed to make healthcare savings simple, flexible, and optimized for long-term growth. Unlike some bank-linked HSAs that simply act as a holding account for your funds, Health Equity offers a robust platform with investment options, mobile access, and a suite of tools for tracking healthcare expenses. This makes it appealing for both first-time HSA users and those who want to use their HSA as a long-term investment vehicle. The first thing to note is eligibility. To open an HSA with Health Equity in 2025, you must be enrolled in a qualified high-deductible health plan HDHP. This is standard across the HSA industry, and Health Equity provides clear guidance on what qualifies. If your HDHP has a deductible above $1,500 for an individual or $3,000 for a family, you're typically eligible. Once eligible, you can contribute pre-tax money, which grows tax-free, and use it for qualified medical expenses at any time. Health Equity's HSA account structure has three main components: the cash account, the investment account, and the link debit card. The cash account functions like a traditional checking account, allowing you to deposit funds and pay for medical expenses immediately. Unlike some platforms that restrict access or require transfers, Health Equity provides a debit card that can be used at pharmacies, doctor offices, and even online medical providers. Most people get this wrong, but here's why: the convenience of a debit card tied directly to your HSA is a game changer. It removes the need to pay out of pocket and then reimburse yourself later, streamlining healthcare spending. Beyond the cash account, Health Equity shines in its investment options. Once your balance reaches a certain threshold, typically $1,000, you can open an investment account and allocate funds into mutual funds, ETF, or other investment products. This is where the long-term growth potential becomes apparent. For instance, if you consistently contribute the maximum allowable HSA contribution in 2025 $3,850 for individuals and $7,750 for families, and invest a portion in a diversified portfolio averaging 6% annual returns, your HSA could grow substantially over decades, providing a powerful tool for healthcare costs and retirement. A key advantage of Health Equity is its user-friendly platform. The website and mobile app allow you to track expenses, check balances, and manage investments in real time. Automated features, like recurring contributions or investment rebalancing, simplify account management. You won't believe how easy it is to see where every dollar goes and plan ahead for future medical costs, from annual checkups to unexpected emergencies. Another standout feature in 2025 is Health Equity's educational resources. Many HSA providers simply hold your funds, but Health Equity actively educates users on maximizing tax benefits, investment strategies, and eligible expenses. For example, you can read about lesser-known qualified expenses such as vision care, dental procedures, or even certain over-the-counter medications. Understanding these can unlock significant tax savings and prevent unnecessary out-of-pocket spending. Health Equity also provides integration with employer benefits. If your employer offers contributions to your HSA, the funds are seamlessly added to your account, often with pre-tax advantages. Many users report that employer contributions, combined with personal contributions, accelerate their HSA growth and create a substantial healthcare savings cushion. For example, an employer contribution of $1,000 combined with your $3,850 personal contribution can already push your account over $4,800 in a single year, all growing tax-free. Now, let's talk fees. Health Equity does charge administrative fees, but in 2025, these are competitive within the industry. The monthly maintenance fee for the HSA is generally around $3 per month, and investment account management fees are separate, typically ranging between 0.08% to 0.50% depending on fund selections. While some might see these as drawbacks, it's important to compare them to other providers. Low-cost providers often lack robust investment options or educational resources, meaning you may save a few dollars in fees, but miss out on growth opportunities and convenience. One common misconception is that HSAs are only useful for immediate medical expenses. The surprising truth about HSAs, particularly health equity, is their power as a long-term retirement savings tool. Funds can be left to grow indefinitely, and after age 65, withdrawals for non-medical purposes are allowed without penalty, though regular income tax applies. Essentially, a health equity HSA can double as both a healthcare savings account and a supplementary retirement account, providing flexibility and tax advantages that are rare in other financial products. Health equity also prioritizes accessibility and security. Accounts are FDIC insured for cash balances up to applicable limits, and investment accounts are held with reputable custodians. Multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time alerts provide security and peace of mind. This is particularly important for individuals concerned about managing sensitive health and financial information digitally. Despite its advantages, there are some limitations to consider. First, health equity is primarily digital, so those who prefer in-person banking or support may find it less appealing. Customer support is available via phone or chat, but response times can vary. Second, investment options, while diverse, are not as extensive as full-service brokerage accounts. Individuals seeking highly customized investment strategies may need supplemental platforms. Finally, HSAs are only beneficial if paired with an HDHP, which may not be ideal for everyone's healthcare needs, especially if high out-of-pocket costs are a concern. To illustrate, let's consider a practical example. Imagine a 35-year-old single professional enrolled in an HDHP with a $1,500 deductible. They contribute $3,850 to their health equity HSA, invest $2,000 in a diversified fund, and leave $1,850 in cash for immediate expenses. Over 30 years, assuming an average 6% annual return on investments, the HSA could grow to over $200,000. Providing a significant cushion for healthcare costs and retirement. Meanwhile, ongoing tax savings each year reduce taxable income, making the account a dual-purpose financial tool. When comparing health equity to competitors like Fidelity, Lively, or HSA Bank, the key differentiators are platform usability, employer integration, and educational resources. Fidelity, for instance, offers robust investment options but less emphasis on employer coordination. Lively has strong tech integration and low fees but fewer educational tools. Health equity strikes a balance, making it a strong choice for both beginners and seasoned users seeking a comprehensive HSA experience. In summary, health equity in 2025 is a solid choice for anyone eligible for an HSA. Its combination of ease of use, investment opportunities, employer integration, and educational support makes it ideal for maximizing the benefits of tax-advantaged healthcare savings. For individuals looking to manage current medical expenses efficiently and grow funds for future healthcare or retirement needs, Health Equity offers one of the most complete HSA experiences available. In conclusion, whether Health Equity is worth it depends on your goals. If your priority is seamless account management, access to investments, and long-term growth, it is absolutely worth it. For users focused solely on paying immediate medical expenses and seeking the lowest possible fees, alternative providers may be considered. Overall, Health Equity provides a comprehensive, secure, and user-friendly platform that turns your HSA from a simple healthcare account into a powerful financial tool for the present and the future.